Ever spent hours designing your Wix site, only to panic about hitting publish at the perfect moment? What if I told you there's a way to automate it, so your site goes live exactly when you want, even if you're asleep, on vacation, or busy running your business? In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to schedule your Wix site to publish itself automatically using Wix Automations. Trust me, once you set this up, you'll never worry about last-minute launch stress again. Let's dive in.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the CodeBolt channel, your go-to channel for Wix tips, tutorials, and clever site hacks. We drop fresh Wix content every Monday, so if this video helps you out or sparks some cool ideas for your own site, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a shortcut. Today's quick agenda will cover why schedule your site to publish automatically, perfect for new launches, timed promotions, or seasonal design updates, how to set up a new Wix automation from scratch, how to pick your trigger, set the date and time, and add the publish site action. Optional extras, how to repeat, end, or add conditions if you want more control. And finally, we'll activate it together to make sure your next big update goes live exactly when you want it to. No manual clicks needed. All right, let's jump in and automate that launch. First, head over to your Wix dashboard. You'll find automations on the left sidebar. It's kind of like your command center for letting Wix do the boring stuff for you. Next, click that big plus new automation button up top. Think of this as starting a brand new set of instructions for your site. When it asks, choose Start from Scratch. I always recommend this so you have full control, no surprise steps you didn't need. Give it a clear name, something simple like New Year Launch or Weekly Site Update. Trust me, naming it properly will save you headaches later when you have multiple automations running. Okay, now for the fun part, setting the trigger. Click Scheduled Time. This just means, hey Wix, do this thing at this exact time, no excuses. Pick your start date and start time. So for example, if you want your site to launch at midnight for a new sale, just set it here. No more setting alarms or waking up early. Wix handles it for you. Need this to repeat? Maybe you do a fresh promo every week. Just switch on repeat, then pick how often, daily, weekly, monthly. And if you want it to stop automatically after a certain date, pick on specific day for the end. Easy. Pro tip, if you want to get fancy, you can add conditions or delays. For example, only publish if certain conditions are met, but honestly, for most people, the basic schedule is all you need. So, if you are interested in a tutorial on conditions, drop us a comment and we'll work on that. All right, almost done. Click the Add Step icon and choose Publish Site. This is the magic button. So when that date hits, Wix publishes exactly what you have ready to go live. And that's it. Click Activate or Save up top. Boom, you've just automated your site launch. Now go grab a coffee and relax, knowing Wix is working for you in the background. Stick around because right after this, I'll show you a couple bonus tips to double check that your automation is good to go. And don't forget, if you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, before you kick back and wait for your automation to do its thing, here's a quick bonus tip. Always double check the version of your site you want to publish. Go to your site editor and make sure all your changes are saved. Wix will publish exactly what's saved in your editor at the scheduled time. So if you forget to hit save, those updates won't go live. Trust me, I've seen people schedule a launch for a big holiday sale only to realize they never saved their final banner. Don't be that person. Bonus tip number 2, test with a mini launch. Next, I recommend doing a mini test if this is your first time. Schedule a quick automation for 5 minutes from now and watch it publish, just to get comfortable with how it works. It's a super safe way to build confidence and make sure there's no surprises when it's go time for a real launch. Bonus tip number 3, keep automations tidy. Last bonus tip, name your automations clearly and keep them organized. When you start adding more, it's easy to forget what each one does. A clear name, like Black Friday Publish or Weekly Blog Update, makes life way easier when you need to tweak or pause them later. And that's it. With these quick checks and a test run, you'll never stress about hitting publish manually again. Your future self will thank you. If this tutorial helped, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me what other Wix automations you want covered next. And don't forget, new CodeBolt tutorials drop every Monday. Thanks for watching. Now go automate that site like a pro.